Welcome everyone to the Web3 education investment. And today in this video, I'm going to introduce two opportunities in the Polkadot. Those two defines, I don't know about their future, but in this video, I'm going to talk about some token you may get for free. And so the first one is called Alnair Finance. Alnair Finance is a yield optimizer platform in the Alnair network. And so this one, the general idea is the yield optimizer platform. You can stake your LP token from any AMM, the automated market maker, or DEX. So let's say you participate in some Polkadot, the DEX, right, like Parallel Finance, and then you get the LP token. You can stake in this platform and get some additional token. So it's basically free for you. And this one, they are going to have the public sale very soon, so April 5th. One token is called Nika. This token is 50 cents. And so this will be the token they are going to use not in the Alnair ecosystem. And so they can use that in the NFT games and all of those things. Looks like this is very interesting, but more importantly, they are right now giving that for free. So if you go to this link, I'm going to post a link under the video. So you can go to this link and then you can just do a few of the work, just follow their retweet, and then you have the entries and you possibly get that for free. I'm not sure whether everyone will get it for free or just like randomly pick some of them. They didn't say it in the they didn't say it here, so I'm not sure, but definitely this is just for free, no risk if you just participate. Another project, another Defi is the Sirius Finance. They shared their testnet campaign, so they're going to give away a lot of the token for free if you participate in their testnet. And so I opened it. I'm going to put a link below the video as well. So this one, you just need to go and claim some for free, like some for gas fees. So you can go to their Discord and then post your address. I think that they need the MetaMask, the MetaMask address, and then you can claim some stable coin. There's one issue right now going on. Like I tried to claim that. You can just add all of them to your network. So this one you can get it done, but there's one problem. Like looks like a lot of people they try to claim that. So I tried that. I tried to request from this website, but it said its system is busy. My request is queued. I go to their Discord and they said there are a huge number of people they try to request for the test token. So I guess we probably need to wait a little bit. And then once this is reopened, you can try that. And so overall, like those two define they looks interesting. The first one here is the yield optimizer platform, and the second one is the first cross-chain stablecoin and LP center. So those two defines once they are alive, I probably can test that. Right now it's just a free kind of free airdrop, I guess. And so I'm going to try that and hopefully can get some free tokens. If not, it's okay. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, this is Web3 education investment. We focus on the define, how to use those defines in Web3, and also I personally would like to make some new friends here. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss any future videos.